Alright everybody, here's what we're going to get into this afternoon. I'm at my in-laws and we're working on winterizing the pool, or kind of getting it ready because it is the middle of December. And I was working with the valve, and I'll show you that here in a minute, and the water started trickling out and it wouldn't stop. So I assume one of the gaskets has kind of gone out on it. So you can see the water's lower than the first step, but it's not demonstrably low. It's not like it's actively leaking. It's been 5 days. It's fallen, it looks like about a foot and a half. So we'll get down underneath the deck. This is where the pump is, and we'll kind of show you what's up. All right, here we are under the pool, not too far from where I was standing up top. This valve here, if I depress it, you can hear a little bit of water run. So you can see this is it's in backwash mode now. I had it in the closed position and it would continue to run down the backwash all the way down. So like I said, I believe it's going to be the gasket that sits inside here that kind of runs the diverter as you change positions. So this is either going to be a how-to or what absolutely not to do, because as soon as I take this off, if there's water that's higher than this, which it definitely appears that it's probably about this level from the outside, we'll find out if the water is flowing through. I do have both valves, the skimmer and the drain shut off, so it should slow, or at least hopefully stop the water going into the pump so it doesn't back pressure into the system. But I'm going to set you up so you can watch, and we'll kind of see what happens once I open up this stuff.
Right.
It's starting to leak a little bit.
Lines.
Yep. Yep, that's exactly what it was. It's that gasket. You can see it's kind of degrading. It's pretty old. It's been in here. I don't know how old the pool is, or anything like that, but that crack right there is exactly why it's continuing to run. So it's a whole lot cheaper to do it this way than replacing that whole entire valve. It's about $300, $350 from what I've seen online. This valve by itself, other than making my hands looking absolutely disgusting, it's only about $30. Right, orient that. Just gotta see all the screws over there. I'm gonna need your help with those.
I don't see any screws. Oh wait, these screws, yeah.
Yeah.
How about screws with nuts?
Yep, those things. All right, looks like we got it. It's dribbling a little bit, but that's nothing like what it was before. Coming out of that backwash, so when we got it in the filter mode, it seems to be working pretty well. So I think that old gasket was the problem. Clearly, I mean, there was a hole in it when we opened it up, so that's what's left of it. Take it up to the garbage. Got it back on, so we'll try refilling it, see what happens from there. Thanks for watching.